Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to sew a very easy oversized hoodie. The link to the pattern is in the description below the video. To make this tutorial you will need sweatshirt fabric, a 2.5 cm wide elastic and a 3.5 cm wide elastic band. Print the pattern to the desired size. Cut the pattern pieces. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise. Pin the pattern pieces on the fabric as shown in the cutting layout. Cut out the fabric pieces. Before removing the paper pattern pieces from the fabric, transfer the pattern important markings to the fabric pieces. Overcast all the pieces using a serger or a zigzag stitch. Fold the pocket openings, sides and top of the pocket 1 cm right sides together, baste or pin. Stitch the pocket opening 5 mm from the edge. Press the pocket. Mark the position of the pocket on the front of the sweatshirt using the pattern. Mark the middle of the pocket. Place the bottom of the pocket on the front of the sweatshirt, right sides together. Stitch the base of the pocket 1 cm from the edge. Press the seams. Lay the pocket upwards, Pin the side edges and top edge, stitch the pocket in place alongside the edge. Place the front over the back, right sides together. Stitch along the sides and shoulders. Press the seams open. Fold the sleeves right sides together and stitch the side. Pin the sleeves into the armholes, right sides together, matching sleeve and front markings. Place the cross mark in the middle of the sleeve on the shoulder seam. Stitch the sleeves in place. Make markings all around the bottom of the sweatshirt, 8 cm from the edge. Fold in half and stitch all around at 1 cm from the top edge, leaving a 5 cm opening for the elastic. Make markings all around the bottom of the sleeves, 3 cm from the edge. Fold in half and stitch all around 5 mm from the top edge, leaving a 2 cm opening for the elastic. Place the two hood pieces on top of each other, right sides together. Sew the hood pieces together in the center. Make marks around the edge of the hood 1 cm from the edge. Fold to the wrong side and stitch 2 mm from the edge. Press the seams. Place the hood middle line on middle line on the neckline, placing the transverse marks on the shoulder seams. Stitch. Pass the 3.5 cm elastic through the waistband. The elastic sizes are in the PDF file. Pin and stitch the ends of the elastic together 1 cm from the edge. Pass the 2.5 cm elastic through the sleeve cuffs. Pin and stitch the ends of the elastic together 1 cm from the edge. Close the seam. Your hoodie is ready. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to contact me on social media.